Welcome to our channel Home and Kitchen Improvement. Product details: name. McCulloch MC 1375 Canister Steam Cleaner with 20 accessories, extra long power cord, chemical-free cleaning for most floors, counters, appliances, windows, autos, and more. 1 pack, black. Product features: 1. Up to 90 minutes of cleaning time per fill up. 2. Commercial grade, suitable for home or work. 3. Premium accessories, 25-piece kit, made in Italy. 4. Digital display with active temperature, pressure and maintenance reminder. 5. Warranty, 3 years on parts, lifetime on stainless steel boiler. Finally, a commercial grade steam cleaner for home or professional use. With its vibrant digital interface and new features that take full advantage of the technology inside, the Dupray Tosca can turn regular tap water into a powerful sanitation tool. 1. Adjustable steam control. 2. Digital interface showing steam temperature, pressure and maintenance reminder. 3. Quick heat up, less than 8 minutes. 4. Powerful, low moisture superheated steam up to 316 degrees Fahrenheit / 160 degrees Celsius. 5. Complete 25-piece heavy-duty accessory kit. 6. 14 feet 9 inches / 4.5 meters electrical cord with integrated cord wrap. 7. Commercial grade. 8. Made in Italy. Get more done with this ergonomically designed accessory kit that cleans any surface at home or at work. 1. 1x detachable steam hose 10, 3 meters. 2. 1x triangular tool. 3. 1x rectangular floor tool. 4. 1x window tool. 5.